Get into a car with value. 2022 Nissan Rogue Sports. Here's a stylish, efficient Rogue that has the features you need to stay on top of today's demanding lifestyle. This can-do crossover anticipates your wants and needs with a quiet, comfortable ride in a spacious, well-equipped cabin. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, satellite radio, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitor, Bluetooth connection, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, stability control. Feel energized in this sporty Rogue. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.